Gotta plan the hardest. Because everything else is kind of baby mode. And don't tell anybody else, but I lose either way. Doesn't even matter if it's on easy, or drizzle, or rainstorm, or monsoon. It doesn't matter which one of those it is, I'm still gonna suck ass. See, it's funny, first 5 fucking seconds of the recording, I don't know what to say, I don't know what to talk about. Maybe I'll talk about my day, what I did. Let's see, I went to go to Chipotle, and I got a fucking, okay, you know what? I got a smoothie at Jamba Juice, and I was really pissed off at it, cause there was too many fucking chunks. And I know there's a lot of people out there that are like, oh my god, you're such a baby. Just drink the chunks. It's like, no, it's called a smoothie for a reason. I want a smooth. I'm not a fucking moron. I'm not a caveman. You know, I want my luxuries. And I should have them, you know? That's what I don't get. You know what? All you pulp eaters, you know, in your country style fucking orange juice, yeah, you can suck my dick. Alright, this is what's gonna fuel my good Risk of Rain 2 gameplay, is because now I'm angry. Because there's people in the world that like eating pulp. Oh, Challenge of the Mountain. I'm a pussy, dude. I'm not gonna do it. Not this time. Yeah, that'll spawn 2 bosses. And, well, that'll spawn an extra boss, and then it'll double your reward. But the thing is, I'm really bad, and this is hard mode, so I don't want to do that. Let's see. Oh, dude, I love the key. It's so helpful now. That was, you know, sarcasm for all you viewers who didn't get that. The key fucking sucks, and it's a stupid item. And if you think it's good, shut up. This is not your daddy's good Risk of Rain 2 gameplay. This is Chunkle's MC Funkle's patented idiot gameplay, where I do everything wrong and I fuck up all the time. I don't think, you know what? I'll give myself some credit. Maybe I'll get past a couple of rounds. I think I'm doing pretty good right now. Keep bleeding, idiot. Yeah, I hear people say that the health one is not what you want to do, you know. I feel like it's good for the earlier rounds, because you don't get that much mobility, because he doesn't do anything else other than walk and jump. Like, thank God I got a, what's it called? Paul's goat hoof. Or else I'd be eating shit pretty fast. Fuck! Oh my god. He's right here! I'm so dog shit. You know what? See you later. I'm tired of you. That wasn't me. That's actual gameplay. Sound. How do you be funny? Ew, the shield generator. Ew. Very uninteresting right now. Not too much going on. There's a lot of them. There's like 5 of them. Oh. Look at me. You guys making me look like an idiot now. I said it's not super unassuming. You know, not much going on, and fucking 5 of these assholes spawn out of nowhere. That's fine. That's fine. You're just making me look like a fool. That's cool. Yeah, I'm gonna pipe some hard drugs into my veins. You guys do whatever. Wasn't there one like up here or something? No, I got it already. Royal capacitor. Oh my god, I got the idiot scanner! Oh, yes. You know what? Bazoom. The music in this is pretty good, you know? It's like perfect blend of like not too, oh, that's a word, like maybe invasive, you know, something that you're not gonna like distract you. At least for me, that's a big thing. Because, if I have some really jamming music, I don't want to do anything else other than jam. You know? Yeah, watch out for my sonar attack. Oh, dude, I get 2 sonar scanners? Are you kidding me? This is the best day of my life. Oh my god, it's been 13 minutes. Oh my god. That's the one thing about Risk of Rain 2. You're in here for like an hour and a half, and it feels like not an hour and a half. You know? I'm not speaking. $1! You motherfucker. Okay. One of these. Oh, one of these guys. Wow. That's kind of handy. Just to stun him for a little bit. Those particular guys. Ooh! Ow! Ow! Cover! Oh god. Oh god. Oh my god. This guy's a menace. We gotta take him out first. Oh, you know what I saw? I saw there was a mod for that specific guy. The Clay Templar. He looked really cool to play. I might give him a chance later. See how he works out. See how he plays. Oh, yes. Oh, look at that. Okay. Now I need to actually do some critical damage. Woo! Give me the juice. Lame. Anything else? Hold on, I can use my radar scanner. Oh, it's a lame-ass chest. Oh, and it's one of these guys? Are you kidding me? Ow! I'm not gonna hit it just yet. I have no money. I've been killing nothing. I deserve this. Go away. Eat shit. Fuck you. Alright, I'm tired of looking around. Let's go hit this button. Oh my god, we got a dumbass slut over here. I'd like to inflict more than 1 stack of bleed, please. Oh, I can do this. Watch this. No, he's gonna give me the sludge. Oh. Didn't. Oh, there's 2 of them, son of a bitch. I wasn't paying attention. I hate this fucking guy. And I hate you too. Get out of here. He's gone. Get killed, bozo. Oh! So nice of you to join. Oh, my little thingy blocks those. That's cute. They get sucked. Whoa, I'm getting sucked too. Wow. Wow. Cool, just shooting. Okay. Yeah, there we go. A blue freaking portal. Oh, I love sprinting. Yes. I'm gonna trade all of these green items in for a fucking good red item. Hopefully. Oh, you know, it'd be sick. An interstellar desk plant. Give me like just something. Fuck it. I'm bored. Oh, my scythe. That's rich. Give me this. Oh, my speed. That's rich. What else? Oh, what else? Beads? No. Tincture? Oh, I don't feel like I'm tanky enough for it. I think I won't. Or maybe I should just end it all right now. Oh. Your boy's making the plays now. Oh, my God. Okay. Some fuel cells. I need a better equipment. You look at you. You're so funny. Look at all this. Are you kidding me? There's so much shit going on. Motherfucker. Wow! If I had an equipment, this would be a little bit easier. This will be a little bit easier. Wow! Ow! No! Oh no! This is the end. This is it. No, 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 no. I'm a fucking trooper. I'm gonna miss all this. No, no, no. I'm doing good. I'm doing great. Oh, I'm doing fantastic. I've never been more alive. Whoa! Whoa! Oh, quail. I don't have money. Ah, ow! Look at how much shit there is! Did I do my things? I don't even think I did them. You motherfucker, that's what you do. Yo! Yo! I don't like this. Come on. There we go. Now we're getting the damage. Sorry, that was very ungentlemanly-like of me, I should say. Are you done? Oh! Okay, I mean, that's not bad. It's a free red. No, the rock. Oh my god, I'm not safe anywhere. This sucks. Oh god, I need this. I need it. No! That was it for the first video. I'm gonna leave. It's funny. It's funny how nobody can see how angry I am. How full of rage I am. I'm so angry.